to Schoology. Here I'm going to show you how you can create a rubric that can work for an assignment, it can work for discussion boards, really anything that you would like to be graded in a more efficient way. To create that rubric, go ahead and come to your Schoology main page and tap on the Resources section. From here, you'll see that I'm going to build this in my personal, but you can also build this for a group or for the public. Come over here to Add Resource, and then scroll to the bottom where you see Add a Rubric. And then here, you'll actually see that it will pop up. Here, you can give it a quick title, so discussion rubric. And then here, you can actually start to create that criteria. So you can do promptness, were they on time? You can always add criteria from here. So I can do, is it actually related? Is it on topic? Anything along these lines. Here you can see the plus sign, so you can add more if you would like. If you scroll all the way over, you can actually delete these criteria. So if you don't need one or one is a little bit extra, anything along those lines. And then you'll see the total points here at the bottom, so that'll help you keep it on track. You can also add learning objectives. So this can actually pull up all the different state standards. If you want to actually add these into your rubric, that can make it a little bit more transparent for students so they know exactly what you're going to be grading them on. When you're ready, you can tap on the Create option. To get this rubric into a course, go ahead and locate your rubric. So here's my discussion rubric. Tap on the gear icon, and here you'll see the option that says Add to a Course. So you'll have to do this for every course. So I can select all my courses that I have, and then tap on the Add button. When you are ready to start using that rubric, go ahead and go straight to your course. And let's say I want to create an assignment, and I'm going to use this rubric to actually grade it. So here you can see I have created a fake assignment for my students. I have a project that I would like them to do. I would add descriptions. I can insert some content so they can see all the different resources that they need in order to create the project. I've got my due date and my category. Come to the bottom where you see this term that says numeric. So I'm not going to grade this on a scale of 100 to 90 to 70, any of those grades. Instead, you can see that I have my discussion rubric that is built out here. You can also create a new one here as well. You'll just have to save it to your resources to use it for another class. But I'm just going to tap on discussion rubric. You'll see that I have the option that I can show this to students or not. I always prefer to show it to them just so that it's more transparent. And then obviously you can add or edit as needed. And then tap on the create option. So this is kind of what it will look like. You'll see here's all of the different categories for the rubric. So that is what it would look like for students. So here is an actual discussion where you can see I've done some formatting, I've added a YouTube video for them to watch, I've linked in some extra websites, some criteria for them, all those things. Here is what that rubric actually looks like. So you'll see that I've added that discussion, and I've even attached a PDF. So there's lots of different ways that you can combine all of these different things in one place. I wanted to show you how easy it was to actually grade using that rubric. So here you can see Amanda Brantley has added her comments already. Notice immersive reader built in. So here I have already graded her, but let's say I needed to go back. So I would click on this check mark. I can click right here on the rubric. And here is where I literally just come and select all the different boxes. So Amanda, I'm going to give her an 18 out of 18. If I had more than one student, I could tap here and actually choose a different student in the class and grade them. Tap on the Save button. This check will show that that student has been graded. You can even leave an extra comment to the students. The comments can be said to you, something for you to remember, or you can actually show it to the student, whatever that works.